Classic. Only got 64,000 original miles on it, guys. This thing is mint. He's gonna fully restore it. It's a one owner from what they told me. So I gotta let you guys see what we did on it. Got converter right there. This is how you do duals on these, boys and girls. So you put a Y pipe on it, run 2 intermediate pipes, 2 1/4. He didn't want it too loud, he wanted it classy. So we put some flow effects. Want a little bit of tone, not too much. We put 2 flow effects on it, there and there. Then 2 tailpipes, there and there. The flow effects number is 71415. There'll be a link in the description. And then he brought us some, well, actually we had these gold tips, as you guys can see. Brings back the classic Chevy bow ties, but gold. And we put it on for him, right there and right there. Look at that, just clean. Came out really nice. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. Chevy Caprice Classic. That's what it sounds like with true duals, or not true duals, sorry. Regular duals, white pipe duals with Chevy bow ties. Gold. The gold tips. That is the gold standard right there. Give me gas. Needs a belt. Again. Yeah, baby. Again. There's sound decibels. That belt is right at 100. Go ahead and back it up. Not bad. Like I told you guys, it's clean. Let you guys hear on the inside. Exhaust noise, guys. What do you guys of this new exhaust note? Oh yeah, oh yeah. He's got a new belt in the car. Oh, it's gone. It's warming up. Not bad, not bad. No more squeal. Got a good noise to it. It runs good. He's got to bring that back next. Get on that. Then we'll get a video of that. That's what it sounds like stock. Here you go.